Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. So last class we discussed about rational numbers. Today we are moving on to new chapter, simple equation. What is meant by an equation? Yes, here there is an example. 7y plus 5 equal to 19. For an equation there will be an equal to sign. Okay, an equal to sign will be there for an equation, and also it has two parts, LHS and RHS. What is meant by LHS? Yes, it is left hand side. RHS means right hand side. If simply I write 7y plus 5, we call it as an expression. Okay, we call it as an expression. If there is an equal to is there, then we call it as equation. Okay, got it. Now here this y we call it as variable. You know that you learned last year the algebra. That means in algebra you learned about the variable. Variable can take different values. That means it may vary. We denote the variable using the alphabets A, B, C, D or X, Y, Z. Any alphabets we can use. And also its value may vary also. May change. It's not constant. It may vary. So variable usually we are used to denote an unknown value. It's an unknown value. To find an unknown value, we used to denote this unknown value using this variables. Okay, so that is variable. We can use any alphabets. Okay, here 7y plus 5 equal to 19. It's an equation, and LHS equal to RHS. That means that is an equation. Now, if suppose if y is equal to 1, if I give y equal to 1, the LHS it changes to 7 into 1 plus 5. That is 7 plus 7 into 1, 7 plus 5. It is 12, isn't it? 12. So that means, see this RHS, it is 19, no? 19 is not equal to 12. That means LHS is not equal to RHS there. When y is equal to 1. Y may vary, no? That means it is a variable. Now if I give y is equal to 2. If I give y is equal to 2, that means 7 into 2 plus 5. Isn't it? So 7 into 2 it is 14. 14 plus 5, 90. So see this 90. So here we can tell that y is equal to, for y is equal to 2, LHS equal to RHS. So we can tell this y is equal to 2 is a solution. Okay, y is equal to 2, we call it as what? Solution. Here for y equal to 1, the LHS is not equal to RHS. But if y is equal to 2, then only LHS equal to RHS. So we can tell y is equal to 2 is a solution. Got it? So solution means the value for the variable for which this equation is satisfied, for which is LHS equal to RHS. That value is, we call it as what? Solution. So next we are going to discuss how to write a statement in equation form. How to write a statement in equation form. So there are certain keywords are there to write in the statement to equation form. That means if you know the sum means what? Plus sign, isn't it? Then subtracted, we use the minus sign. Then times means for multiplication. Of also for multiplication, isn't it? So here twice means 2 times. Thrice means 3 times. Like that. Divides means divide. So these are the keywords. So here first question, 2 subtracted from y is 8. So you look here, it is subtracted, isn't it? So we want to use, we know that subtracted sign is what? Minus sign. From y. So we want to write y first, because from y we are subtracting, isn't it? So y subtracted. Subtracted sign is what? Subtraction. For subtraction sign is minus sign. So from y we subtract 2. From y we subtract 2. Is 8 means equal to 8. Is 8 means equal to 8. Okay. So 2 subtracted from y is 8. That means, see, from y you want to write first. This from is very important. Simply don't write 2 minus y, because here from y. So we want to start from y. Okay. So y minus 2 equal to 8. Now next question. 7 times x plus 7 gets you 77. What is meant by that? Yes, 7 times. I told that. Twice, 2 times, thrice, 3 times. Isn't it? Times we usually use for multiplication. So here 7 times means what? 7 into x. Here the variable is what? X. So 7 times x means 7 into x, 7x. So 7x plus put number 7. 7 times x plus 7 gets you 77. Isn't it? Gets you 77. That is equal to 77. Got it? So here 2 subtracted from y is 8 means y minus 2 equal to 8. Now next question. 7 times x plus 7 gets you 77. 7 times x means 7 into x. 7x plus 7. Plus 7, we know that is plus 7 now. Plus 7 equal to gets you 77. That means some answer, isn't it? We use right equal to. So equal to 77. Got it? So this way we are converting that means statement to equation form. Okay. Next we can discuss how to write in statement form. That is, equation is given, you want to write in statement form. So here you look, 1/3 of z plus 3 equal to 30. Now here see this addition symbol. Got it? So here 1/3 of z. Here the variable is z. Multiplication. Of means for multiplication, isn't it? So 1/3. If it is half, then half of. Like that we use, isn't it? If it is 3/5, then 3/5 of. Like that. 3/5 of. Like that we can write. So here it is 1/3 now. So we can write it as 1/3 of z. Okay. 1/3. 1/3 of z. Then 1/3 of z plus 3 gives plus 3 gives 30. Okay, 1/3 of z plus 3 gives 30. You can write in your own statements. Okay, you can otherwise you can write if you add 3 to 1/3 of z. Okay, anyway you can write the statement, but it should be correct. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, you get 30. Okay, otherwise you can write 1/3 of z plus 3 gives 30. In subtraction only that statement should be absolutely correct. That means from all we want to not that from and all. Okay. Now here next question, b by 3 equal to 6. How we can write? A number b. A number b divided by 3. This divided now. So divided by 3 you get 6. So or 1/3 of b you get 6. Anyway you can write. Otherwise a number b divided by 3 you get 6. Okay, this way we are framing to statement form. Okay, so first one 1/3 z plus 3 equal to 30. That means 1/3 of z plus 3 equal to 30. Here b divided by 3 equal to 6 means a number b divided by 3 you get 6. Got it? So this way we are framing, we are changing into statement form. But for subtraction only, if it is m minus 7 equal to 3, if the question is like this, then how you are used to write? A number 7 subtracted from m. That's very important. A number 7 subtracted from m, you get 3. Okay, like that you want to write for subtraction. Okay, got it, students? So you learned what is meant by an equation and how to write a statement to equation and also an equation to statement form. Hope you all understood. Thank you.